Hey everyone, welcome to Must or Bust. I'm excited to do my quick review of the new Apple Music Sing. So, if you like to sing karaoke and you're like, I can't find the version, now with every single song almost on the Apple Music playlist, you can do karaoke. So it's pretty simple. So if you go to the song now, and you have to be updated, iPhone 11, there's a little toggle, and I'll show it on your screen too, but there's a little toggle right here. What you can do is turn the vocals up or down, and I'm gonna show you right here, right now, live and in the person. Desperate for changing. Or I can turn him back up. Oh yeah. Now, you can sing any song that you want live right on Apple Music. And you can also do a duet version with parts that have multiple artists singing in a song. So I will tell you this, you can do this right now on Apple Music. I used to try to do this with certain software removers and everything, and it would you would lose a lot of the music quality. This, you do not lose music quality. So I highly recommend this. I'm really excited about this. It's great for any get-together, any party, any of your youth groups, and it's something you guys can all do. So, do I rate this a must or a bust? Guys, this is certainly a must. So if you have Apple Music, you have your iPhone 11, make sure you update it and check it out today and let me know how it works for you. See you guys on the next one.